So, hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about the anesthesia and emergency medicine recall questions from 2026 MRB examination. There's one question from anesthesia and two questions from emergency medicine. And this is Dr. Saran Reddy, Academic Director and CEO. We'll be releasing a series of all the recall questions of 2026 MRB examination. All the subjects will be uploaded very soon. So let's discuss first anesthesia and emergency medicine questions, which is not present in anti-snake venom, the snake which won't cover under anti-snake venom in India. So common cobra, common krait, Russell's viper, inland taipan. We have discussed this both through our MRB last push book, it is there, and also in the previous year questions it was there. This question on anti-snake venom or the snake bite was asked in every single examination. We discussed multiple times. This is very, very, very important. So common cobra, common krait, Russell's viper, and another thing which is covered is saw-scaled viper, but not the inland taipan. So this won't be covered. So this is the correct answer. This is native of Australia. Okay. And so this snake bite management, we have discussed about the anti-snake venom. Here also we mentioned this is the previously asked question. So this is covered in your MRB last push book too. Okay, this is a very anticipated question. There is never a paper on MRB without covering a snake bite. Then comes from anesthesia. Dibukane is a local anesthetic which belongs to high potency long duration or high potency short duration, low potency long duration, low potency short duration. So this is again we discussed multiple times. Dibukane is an amide. It's a local anesthetic which is an amide, two I's. Amides has only one important thing. Anything starting with LMP, that is lignocaine, mepivacaine, prilocaine, they belong to intermediate acting. None of them are short acting, and the rest all, whatever it might be, bupivacaine, dibucaine, all these belongs to long acting. And whenever, most of the times, any long duration of acting also has a high potency. When we're discussing about succinylcholine also, we discussed like dibucaine is used to assess the activity of pseudocholinesterase enzyme because of its long duration and high potency. So this is straightforward, high potency and long duration. This also has been asked in one of your question banks. Okay, Dibukane about like which was not classified as a long acting. Then coming to the third question, the pillars of TAEI include. So this is again like specific to the Tamil Nadu Accident and Emergency Care Initiative, which is started along with the IIT. So what are the pillars? There are 6 pillars: stroke, MI, STEMI are both STEMI and NSTEMI, trauma cases, burns, poison, and pediatric emergencies. So in this is straightforward. So trauma, MI, burns, stroke, poisoning, and pediatric emergencies. This question is very specifically asked. And these are the only 3 questions which have been asked from anesthesia and emergency medicine. And from all the MRB last push book and also from the MRB leaderboards which you have attempted from the ADRPLEXUS, we are compiling, and by tonight we'll be uploading all the things. All the very best, champs, and let's prepare with the same intensity for the NEET-PG and INCT examinations. Looking forward. All the very best.